Hello friends, welcome to Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your PC or laptop's username. So let's start the video. So now you have to go to control panel. From here you need to go to user account. So you have to click user. Now here you can see there is the option change account name. So here you can give a account name. So I will give here my channel name Tech HD. Now I have to click change name. So from here you can see the account name has been changed. It is now Tech HD. So from here you have to give a restart to your PC. Otherwise it will not show everywhere. So please wait for some time to restart my PC. After the restart, the username has been changed to Tech HD. So you can see the user profile name has changed. If we go to the profile, here you can see it is also changed to Tech HD. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.